Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the Durango and Charger vehicles that they brought to Roadkill Nights. So we talked a little bit in a video earlier about the new color programs. This right here is the Dodge Durango RT392 Smokescreen Concept. So it has this really cool gray finish. It's like a matte gray, crypto blue graphics, crypto blue wheels. The actual SRT brake calipers match the body color, crypto blue mirror caps, and you can see down on the graphics it actually says 392 in that clever dash kind of look. But this is the kind of thing that Dodge is looking at possibly doing, and offering a one-on-one program for the Durango and Charger. So this is a concept to show what customization could be like. I don't know if the vehicle is, well, it is open. If you look at the interior, this is petrol blue leather seats. This is the new color for the Dodge Charger, but they're showing it off in the Durango for the first time. Alcantara steering wheel, nice leather wrap dash, absolutely beautiful concept. We come around the back, they smoked the taillights out on this, and it actually looks really killer. Now, again, with the one-on-one colors, they're showing this off for the first time. This is Toxic Orange. And again, we're going to be seeing Dodge do some affordable one-on-one programs later this year. But this is an SRT Hellcat Jailbreak. You can see unique orange calipers, unique wheels, Toxic Orange body color, which looks awesome. But Toxic Orange definitely stands out on a bright day like today. Now, another one-of-one color that they brought that was actually shown at Springfest in 2025 is this. This color is called Cha-Ching because of the color of money. And it looks phenomenal in person. So you can see with the sun, it's got a metallic green finish and just looks killer. Really, I would say this color probably shows off the 8th generation Charger's body lines better than any color. So again, they put it on a 6-pack scat pack, and in the sun, it stands out big time. Now, if you look at this Bludacious car, they're showing off a new stripe package. So these are tinted stripes, and this will be available later this year. So it's basically translucent stripes. So they're tinted to give you the stripe look, but you can see the body color underneath. Now, that's not the only one they have here. They actually have this 27 Durango Durango GT HEMI over here with the brass monkey package. So this is the brass monkey appearance package. Brass monkey is back for 2027. However, you have to get a black top model or the black top red line. And on this one, it's in Redeye, which is a Dodge Charger color that's coming to Durango. But you can see the tinted stripes here. And of course, Purple Haze is here as well. So this is a limited edition color for Dodge for 27. Again, a deep purple that actually kind of looks blue when the light hits it. Very metallic-like. And I think a lot of people will actually really like this color once they see it in person. So tell me, what vehicle do you like the most out of these 6? Leave your comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.